Hello. You miss Mama? Uy. Alex. This is Alexa. This is not Luki.
Luki flew away.
Yeah, she was so sad. I don't have that much time with him at the moment. So, cause I'm busy a little bit. Just a little bit. And I get tired when I get home.
Have no time.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Good boy. Give me a kiss. Aww. You miss Mom? You miss Mom? Oh, she missed me. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Oh, come on. This one here doesn't bite. I will nibble your finger, but doesn't bite. It doesn't. I don't have any incident that he bite me and it bleeds. No, she's very good.
When we first got him, he bit me.
Yeah.
It didn't bleed, but I have a big lump right here.
What's doing there? What are you doing? What are you doing? Who is in there? She's not lonely because he has a girlfriend, Ella. He's nearly about 2 years old. You going home? Oh. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Yeah. Say hello. Where are you going? Tagay ko na siya pagkaon natin Sam. Sam, tagay siya Grace. Ug kuan ba? Mukhaon na ba ni Grace? Okay, Rice? Ano? Gutom ikaw? Oh.
Rice with soup.
Rice with soup. They love it.
You hungry?
Are you hungry? You get food in there? She loves rice.
Finish the spoon. Finish the spoon. Try to finish the spoon.
Get there. This is an Indian. This is Alexandrine. They're not a talker compared to the Indian ringneck, but the Alexandrine, this one here, they don't have a temperamental attitude, like they were just gonna bite you for no reason. This one, no, they don't. But the Indian ringneck, they will bite you. I don't know, sometimes they just bite you for no reason at all.